Hi everyone, I'm Marlena Wilson, a dental hygienist from the Cambridge Healthy Smiles program. I'm here to bring you this video in collaboration with the Healthy Eating Active Living program. Both programs are part of the Cambridge Public Health Department. I'm excited to be joining you today and we'll be performing a science experiment that will reveal the acidity of different drinks and the effect they can have on your teeth. I will try to help you make choices that can keep your teeth and your body healthy. Let's get started. The first thing we want to talk about is that dental health affects your whole body health. That means keeping your teeth strong will help us be able to eat the nutrients we need to keep us healthy. Our growth, strength, and immunity all count on our ability to eat a healthy diet. The drinks we choose affect our teeth too. That's why we need to make choices that build stronger, healthier teeth. Every day we brush and floss our teeth, but is it enough to keep our mouth healthy? Brush and floss away food. Brush and floss away mouth germs called plaque. Brush and floss away acid plaque leaves behind. The mouth is naturally non-acidic environment until plaque forms. We brush for 2 minutes twice a day, before school and before bed. Top and bottom, front and back, inside and outside. Plaque grows to maturity every 12 hours when it can eat the food we leave behind and create an acid. We brush our teeth every 12 hours or 2 times a day, and plaque cannot harm our teeth. But what if we introduce the acid by choosing acidic drinks? Let's do an experiment. We have vinegar, we have water, and we have an antacid. It will actually help you see the reaction similar to what is happening in your mouth when you leave behind acid on your tooth. Let's take our antacid and put it in the vinegar. Let's take our antacid again and put it in our water. Let's watch the reaction. It's slowly bubbling or wearing away at your tooth, not different than ocean waves slowly eroding a beach. Your tooth's enamel would slowly be eroded or damaged. Well, let's review. Acid attacks teeth, causing erosion. Mature plaque eats sugar to make acid, which attacks teeth for about 20 minutes. After repeated acid attacks, your tooth's enamel becomes weak and a hole or a cavity can be formed. If our diet includes acidic drinks, it increases the damage we do to our teeth, creating more damage. If we choose drinks with sugar, feeding the plaque, again, even more damage can happen. But what can we do about it? Well, it's all about the quantity of the drink, the acidity of the drink, the amount of sugar in the drink, and the timing of how long it is on your teeth. Which drink should we choose? We have so many choices: juices, energy drinks, sports drinks, water, seltzers. Choices we make are based on the taste, what meals we eat, the activities we participate in, or just plain pleasure. By the end of our science experiment, we'll be able to choose drinks that we enjoy and keep our teeth and body healthy. So what is the pH or acidity of common drinks? Dental enamel starts to demineralize at the pH of 5.5. If you look at a pH strip, you can see that neutral is more at a 7. So we want to pick drinks that are going to be neutral. Let's test out some of the common drinks. I have tea, juice, sports drink, milk, soda, and energy drink. Let's see what the pH strip tells us the acidity is. You dip it in quickly and take it out, and you can see the color that it matches up with on the pH strip. On this one here, we're between yellow and orange. Let's mark tea as yellow. Still acidic. Next, we're going to try the juice. The juice strip matches up to be between a 1 and a 2. Definitely orange, more acidic than the tea. The next one we have is a sports drink. Again, we're having it on a 1 to 2. Definitely orange and acidic. Let's try the milk. The milk is showing as green, much more neutral. Milk is actually something that strengthens your teeth. Let's mark that one as green. Soda. Let's see what the soda reveals. The soda is becoming orange, so between a 1 and a 2. And our last one I have here in this row is an energy drink. Again, the energy drink is showing up orange. So the common drinks we have in front of us that we've all had, really only one is neutral. There's different variations, and if we added sugar to some and took away in the tea, we put sugar, or maybe in the soda, we just had a diet soda, we'd see different ranges, but mostly they'd be acidic. I did bring out the vinegar just as a curiosity. That's what we used in our last experiment. And the vinegar shows up to be an orange. So the vinegar is not that different than the other drinks on the table. Isn't a tooth strong? Yes. A tooth is the strongest part of your body. It's stronger than your bones. Yet, drink choices you make can damage the teeth on a daily basis, causing decay and erosion. You need your teeth to last a lifetime. To help neutralize the acid, after we have a drink, remember to sip, swish, and swallow with water and wash away the sugar and acid away. There are benefits to drinking water. If we swish after meals with water, we wash away the food and the plaque. Water helps the body to form saliva, which buffers acid in your mouth. And water helps the body stay hydrated, stay healthy. It regulates our body temperature, cushions our joints, protects body tissues, and so much more. But are all waters the same pH? Just as you probably suspected, tap water can be different than bottled water. In fact, every bottled water can be a different pH level as well. So let's take a look at bottled water pH. So here we have some samples of bottled waters. I have a seltzer, a flavored water, a vitamin water, a regular bottled water, and then I added in tap water. So we're going to do the same thing as the other experiment, and we're going to take the pH and see what acidity these drinks have. So the seltzer, we take our pH reference and we look. The seltzer is actually a yellow. It's acidic, but it's not all the way over to the orange. So it's yellow. Let's mark our seltzer. Next, we're going to try our flavored water. Let's try that. The flavored water is going to turn more orange, which is more acidic. It's between a 1 and a 2. That's our flavored water. Let's next try our vitamin water. Vitamin water turned orange right away. So it's definitely an orange, almost a red. So let's put our vitamin water as an orange as well. Next is our regular bottled water. The regular bottled water is a light green, maybe looking more like a 4. So let's keep our bottled water as a green. It's a light green. We're getting more neutral. And our Cambridge City tap water is turning bright green as soon as I put it in. And that would be more of a 5. So it's green as well, closer to neutral. So we have the seltzer being acidic, but not as acidic as the flavored water and the mineral water. The bottled water being neutral, but not as neutral as our tap water. So all of them are a little bit different. So make sure that when you're looking at your bottled water, that you're checking those ingredients and see what kind of acids in them, and then do this experiment at home and see what your choice of water would be. So now that we've finished our water experiment, we found out that some waters can be acidic. But what types of acids are found in drinks? Cambridge public water doesn't have an acid. It was neutral. Bottled water goes through a filtration process that can increase its acidic nature. Carbonated drinks, regular or diet, have phosphoric acid. Flavored carbonated drinks have phosphoric and citric acid. Sparkling drinks have carbonic acid. Flavored sparkling drinks have carbonic and citric acid. So drink labels have these acids listed in the ingredients. Just take a look. What's in your control? Brush and floss. Routinely clean your teeth twice a day, every 12 hours. Then plaque is removed before it can mature and be able to eat the food between your teeth and produce an acid. Choose no sugar, neutral pH drink. Don't feed the plaque or add to the acidity in your mouth. Rinse with water. Rinsing with water after eating or a sugar drink is always the best way to clean food from your teeth when you can't brush. So make healthier drink choices and remember to wash the acid away. Take care of your personal dental health and you will benefit with better overall health. So here at the Cambridge Public Health Department, we hope you choose Cambridge City water to drink. Just sip, swish, and swallow to keep your teeth healthy. Remember, choose water as your drink and it'll help you think. Thank you.